For a couple of months now, I have been purposely ignoring Ultraboosts even though I knew my old pair needs replacing because rumors are flying around of the coming release of the 5.0s. However, when I saw this, I knew I just had to get whatever is available now. This is my quick unboxing and quick review of the Adidas Ultraboost 4.0 Black. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another quick unboxing video and sort of a review video as well. First off, thanks for tuning in. I have not been able to put up a new video for about a month now since there's lots of background noise because of the holiday celebrations near our place and I don't have a soundproof booth. But it has been so long, so I knew I just had to make this one even if you can hear party sounds in the background. So let's get on with it. As I hinted in the intro, I was kind of disappointed upon seeing pictures of the Ultraboost 5.0s that are releasing either late this year or early next year. I don't know if it's just the design of the mid-cage or the colorway, but for sure, at least for me, what we have right now, the Ultraboost versions that we have right now are much better than what is coming. So I headed to my nearest Adidas store and caught myself an Ultraboost 4.0. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so this is an Ultraboost 4.0. The colorway is black. As simple as that, black. This is a size 9.5 US. The model number is F36153. I think this released back in mid-November in the US. And this released just this week or just last week here in Manila. So this has a black heel counter, black mid cage, a black upper with some specks of white, and we have the white Ultraboost midsole here. So this is the view from the top, the view from the lateral side, the view from the medial side, the view from the back, and the view from the bottom. This is an Ultraboost that Adidas fans have loved for a few years already. Nothing exciting now, unlike years ago when you may not see an Ultraboost sitting in a store for days, but these still deliver. These are still comfortable sneakers with a proprietary full-length Boost midsole that provides a great stable ride when either just walking or running. The Continental outsole, well, they make rubber good enough for tires, so they should be sturdy for a variety of surfaces. The Ultraboost still remains to have a nice silhouette that you can transition from lifestyle to performance to lifestyle all over again. You can rock these with the trendiest jeans or pants, and you can of course rock these with shorts. Nothing much has changed from the OG version of the Ultraboost to the 4.0, and some see that as boring and have moved on. However, it may also be a case of Adidas getting it right the first time and nothing much they can experiment on except for more colorways, change in materials on the upper, and a few collabs here and there. I hope they continue to produce these earlier versions cause the 5.0s just don't do it for me. In summary, I think the Adidas Ultraboost has transitioned from being a hype shoe to a classic staple. Maybe a bit too fast, but that I think speaks well of the shoe itself. I'm not feeding the coming 5.0s if those are really the 5.0s. So I say get yourselves 4.0s, the OGs, or any other Ultraboost in between that fits you, either just for a refresh to replace your old pairs, or if you are getting a new, because it may not get better yet. And that's it for my quick unboxing and quick review of the Adidas Ultraboost 4.0. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace!